What is up, you guys? It is Tiffany Jasmine and I'm back with another video today. Ciara's turning 24 on the 6th, so my favorite Gemini, the only Gemini I really like. My grandpa's a Gemini too, but he's a male Gemini. But I like the girl Geminis. But I like my grandpa too. But anyways, so I'm about to get my feet done because we're going to go to dinner for her birthday and my feet need to be done. And I got my sister here and we're about to go get our feet done. And then I gotta go pick up C's gift. But yeah, you guys, before we start this video off, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also have Derek's nephew's hat on from Image. Follow his page right here. And yeah, you guys, buy his items and all that type of stuff. But let's get ready to go get our nails done because we need it done. Ciara need it done too. Alright, you guys, so we're at the car wash. We just left the on. We're about to get this car cleaned because it is dirty. And Ciara's gonna pay. But yeah, we're right here at Joe's Express. Y'all can see my mirror is dirty. Ooh.
No break.
Wow!
I know, I'm talking about that, the M.
Heading out. Return his baby gate because it's he don't like it. Say hi, Wink. Yeah, say hi. Give him kisses. Kisses. Kisses.
Okay.
Kisses.
Kisses.
Kisses. You guys, so it's the following day. I'm about to go pick up Kamani, which is Derek's niece, and we're about to go try Korean dogs. Derek didn't want to come because he's a loser, so I'm not gonna bring him no corn dog home. But yeah, we're gonna go and try that out before we head out. And I'm trying to film, and it's like, I guess our neighbor's friend is like literally in front of my car.
So now we're at 88 hot dog. Beef hot dogs. You got the mozzarella and the potato. It comes with beef in it. I want cheese in mine.
So
What's up?
she got her dog. We got more Korean dogs.
The Korean corn dog.
Oh, this is good. I hope I can chew it.
Oh, you got beef in yours. I got cheese. I hope she put cheese in mine.
I think yours is beef.
I don't want any cheese in it.
It just tastes like a fry.
It just tastes like a corn dog.
It don't taste like.
I want to try that one.
Yeah. Which one is that one?
The mozzarella.
Oh, let me get my cheese on. Oops.
It's coming off the stick.
It is. Oh.
Okay, ready?
I like it with the sugar. Wait, this one's good. I'll go back and get another one.
I want the cheese inside my potato one. I don't want a hot dog. I already eat hot dogs, so I don't really care about eating out.
That potato one was whatever.
Good and chewy.
Yeah. I got some rice cakes, not the crumbs on this shirt. That the potato one was.
I give it.
Oh, you don't want to be in it.
No.
Be like. I feel like it needs flavor. Like they should have added salt. Like salt on it. Like it needed some seasoning. The beef one is just the breading is no flavor. Yeah, that's spicy. Not spicy, but it looks hot.
It's hot and spicy.
But that cheese one was good. Just needs more seasoning and sugar. He eating.
Wait.
So it's the following day. It's actually Ciara's birthday. That's sugar. So happy birthday to Ciara. Happy birthday to you. Anyways, Phoenix.
You don't give me no sugar?
Laundry right now, and Phoenix just put his whole head in a cup of coffee because he's a daredevil. Yeah. So Derek here.
What up, man?
And we're about to eat our breakfast while we wait 23 minutes for our laundry to be done. Sugar. Guess we missed the vlog again. Alright you guys, so I'm fully dressed right now. I'm in a rush. Phoenix done messed up the house, but this is what I'm wearing with my strapless heels. Don't mind my dirty mirror. Phoenix is just being a handful right now before I leave. Yeah you guys, this is what I'm wearing tonight. And I'll see you guys when we're at Ciara's house. I'll get a gift and my tripod, so I'll be back. Okay, so birthday girl. She already knew what it is, so it's not even like.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my god, it's pink.
Yeah. It was between purple or pink, but I was like pink. You.
Wait.
Alright, so we got C. We got Jabari. The other met Jabari, but now y'all meet Jabari.
We're back.
So now we're in what's the lift? Yes. In the lift. And we got and Melissa's here. Hey, vlog. Ooh, they went that way. I know. This is so nice.
Happy birthday again.
Spicy prawn roll. Rice noodles.
Yeah, it's nice. See, my camera picks up lighting really good. Like, see? Oh, I'm thinking like we're taking a picture. Some sushi pizza right now. I don't know who's gonna eat it, so I'm about to try it. It's like
I like it.
it's good, but it's like it's literally like a Jolly Rancher or Now Later. It reminds me of a Now Later.
It does taste like a.
But it's like it don't hit you right here. Like it's not hitting your stomach.
Nope.
Oh my god! It's thank you. No, these are good. Wait, it's hot.
You got Dora? Thank you so much.
Okay, Ciara got the people.
I do want like a half thing. It's a hot dog for ketchup.
Okay, thank you.
What's the steamed spinach?
Alright, welcome.
Yeah.
We have to tell yourself just eat it.
Oh, then I'm not eating it. Yes, sir. About to eat up, y'all. Yeah. I'm about to see y'all later. Yay!
Alright, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Not my birthday.
Alright, why did I just start the video?
So we didn't know where Jabari was. He's all the way. Oh my god, all the way down there. We went to the bar. We couldn't find her. It's like ready to go see her. Stop all the way over there. Oh my god. So I'm editing and I just realized that I didn't close out my vlog from Ciara's birthday dinner, but I'm gonna close it out here. So I will see you guys in my next video. Tiffany Jasmine's out. Bye.